so many acne treatments available, choosing the right one can be confusing. Who hasn't tried that face wash that promised clear skin in just 3 days, only to be sorely disappointed when it didn't work? With so many choices, it's no wonder so many people are confused about acne treatments. So, what do you do when you have bad skin? You go to the dermatologist, and they give you a bunch of prescriptions. But how about if you don't have the time or the money to go to a dermatologist? What happens when you can't even leave your house without makeup? Well, here are some tips that will help you clear up your skin. Before we begin today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I come up with the next amazing video. 1. Clean your skin. Before you resort to more invasive acne treatment methods, you should try to clean your skin without breaking the bank. The first step in any acne treatment is to cleanse the skin. Cleansing helps to remove the dirt, excess oil, and any makeup. That is the goal of the many homemade remedies that have been passed down through generations. They are simple, inexpensive, and can be made at home. 2. Apply a good moisturizer. Applying a good moisturizer to your skin is essential for the health and appearance of your skin. But what does it mean to apply a moisturizer? What's the best way to apply a moisturizer? First, you want to make sure that you've cleansed your skin thoroughly. Next, you want to pat your skin dry with a towel. After that, add a small amount of moisturizer in your hand. Gently rub the moisturizer onto your face, making sure to cover all areas of your face, including your neck and forehead. A good moisturizer is essential for all skin types. It forms a thin film on top of the skin to help shield it from damage. The skin is more fragile than you may think. It is the body's largest organ, yet it comprises only one layer of cells. Moisturizers help to fill in the gaps between these cells so that it feels smooth to the touch. They also protect from harmful environmental factors, such as pollution, that can negatively impact your skin. 3. Get plenty of sleep. When you want to get rid of acne, one of the best things you can do is get plenty of sleep every night. That's because getting enough sleep can balance your hormones, regulate your immune system, and prevent inflammation that can lead to breakouts. Getting the right amount of sleep, however, isn't always an easy task. Between school, work, and social life, it can be hard to turn off the lights and hit the bed on time. Start by taking a look at your lifestyle to see what may be disrupting your sleep. You may be able to make simple adjustments to get some much-needed sleep. 4. Change diet. There are many myths about diet and acne. Some sweet foods, such as chocolate, are said to make your acne worse. However, there is no scientific evidence to back up these claims. If you experience acne breakouts, what's suggested for acne preventative care is what's most beneficial for the body is perfect for the skin, mainly since it is your body's biggest organ. So remember to monitor your diet and consume healthy vitamins, supplements, and minerals. It helps to avoid and help conquer acne breakout. 5. Use oil-free products. As a rule, you should always avoid using products that contain oil. Oil is the cause of acne. This is because the skin is the body's largest organ, and one of its main jobs is to produce oil to keep the skin soft and moisturized. When the skin produces too much oil or cannot remove oil from the pores will become clogged, causing acne. Oil-free products help reduce the production of more oil from the skin, thereby reducing acne. Let us know in the comments section which tips you use to prevent acne. If you like this video and feel like it could help your friends, then share it right away. See you in the next video. Till then, be healthy.